Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, as well as we will have a sample download for additional watch faces for our Atmos Drift 2X smartwatch. So we have here our support app, the HRY Fine application. So we will check the available watch faces for this smartwatch here in the support app. So if you are interested to check the available watch faces, as well as you just want to know if we can download additional watch faces for our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, watch this video, and again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the watch face section of our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch. So we have here our smartwatch. Let's see, you can use the crown button here to change the watch face. So let's check how many watch face do we have here. How many preloaded watch face? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces, a combination of analog and digital watch faces. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, there's a shortcut for the different functions here of your wearable. Okay, so let's check here in our support app if we do have an additional watch face, or let's see if how many watch faces available for our smartwatch. Let's see, we have here the dial section, then we have the my dial. Let's see the section for my dial. Then we have the DIY dial. This is a custom dial, and of course the dial mall. Let's see, failed to load. Okay, we have here the recommended. Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, some are free, some are not. It is a combination of analog and digital watch faces or dials. Okay, some are okay. Let's see. So we do have a lot of options here. A combination of free, and some do have, you have to pay. Okay, you have to buy the watch face. Alright, so it's a very good list of watch faces here. A good number of dials, but not all are free. We also have here new product listing. I'm going to scroll fast to see if we can reach the end. So we do have a lot of options here. Okay, I guess seems like a never-ending list of dials for our smartwatch. Anyway, let's try to download. We have here a free watch face, purple gas. Okay, then tap on download. Congratulations, use immediately. Let's see if this will switch to download mode. 30%. And as you can see, our smartwatch here switched to download mode. Let's wait for it. And we have here our new watch face. Let's see if it is added to our... Okay, we have now 6. Let's have another one. Can we add another one? Or our previous watch face will be deleted? Let's see. Let's look for a free watch face. Okay, we have this one. Select school days, download mode, use immediately. And downloading. So this one is fast. Just a few seconds we'll have our watch face, and we have it here. Okay, nice looking watch face. Let's see. Let's count. Okay, let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as you can see here, you can only download one watch face at a time. Our previous downloaded watch face has been overwritten or deleted. Okay, so low memory for the storage of watch face for our Atmos Fit Drift. Going back, let's have a custom dial. Select picture. Let's have this. Done. Check. So drag the time. You can also change the color here. Okay, then check. Can change the data. Okay, above time, date, and that's it. Then save and use. Setting up, please wait. Download mode. Okay, in just a few seconds we'll have our custom dial, and we have it here. Okay, let's see. We still have our downloaded watch face. So based on the demo, we can say that you can download one dial from the dial market and one custom watch face. Okay, you have at least 2 new watch face for your Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch. That's it for our demo with the watch face or the dial section for the Drift 2X. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo or the smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.